Hey, it's Ross. In under 3 minutes, I'm going to show how you can level up your sales tool belt by managing deals on Monday CRM. Wouldn't it be nice to spend less effort managing your CRM and more time actually selling? Let me show you how. Monday CRM comes ready out of the box for your entire sales workflow, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to live in the deals board. Add new deals from here, or import them from other tools and spreadsheets with this option. Okay, here on the main table view, you'll have customizable columns to track every piece of info regarding your deals. For instance, we've got this status column with preset deal stages, but you can always edit the names of the stages and even change the colors to suit your fancy. This contacts column connects to folks you've added in your contacts board, which connects to companies you've added in your accounts board, creating a beautiful weave of interconnectivity. Okay, back to the stages. These are important because they feed the pipeline view located here. With this view, see your deals and all their details laid out as cards. To move a deal from one stage to the next, it's as easy as drag and drop. It should also be mentioned that you can edit the cards to show only the information pertinent to you. Alright, now to the bread and butter. Click on any deal to open up its overview page. Quickly see the stage the deal is in, all necessary deal info, any sub-items or tasks to complete for the deal, and of course the connected contact. Communicate directly with the contact from the emails and activities section here. Have AI draft up a perfect email, and save even more time by utilizing shared email templates. And if the contact replies, you'll be notified on monday.com with the notification taking you directly to their message. Here, schedule meetings, add notes, and even tag team members for collaboration. When you're ready to negotiate, draft up a quote from this tab here. Not bad, right? Almost done now. This forecast view enables you to get a bird's eye look over your entire deal book. Track your monthly forecast, where you're at in accordance to your annual goal, and the leaderboard widget to see how each rep is performing. Finally, automations and integrations tie a bow on all of this. For example, reps can be notified anytime one of their emails is opened by a lead. And remember, this is still monday.com, so don't be afraid to create your own custom automations to take your workflow to new heights. Integrate with tools you're already using, such as Twilio to make calls directly from your CRM. Or drop your Zoom recordings directly into your emails and activities app with the Zoom integration. And that's it. It's time to start winning more deals with Monday CRM. Click on the logo to learn more about monday.com or the video for a full-fledged Monday CRM walkthrough.